Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey everybody, this is Cory Chapman with my 5-minute wealth tip. So today I thought I'd talk a little bit about cumulative taxes versus current taxes. Cumulative taxes versus current taxes. Now, when you meet with your CPA, here's the difference between a CPA and a financial advisor. Typically, your CPA or enrolled agent or accountant is going to be looking at things in the rear, right? Looking behind us. And the reason why that is because you've worked January to December, and then you go see him sometime in January, February the following year to take care of doing your tax return for April, right? And what he's looking at is he's saying, hey, what did you make in income this year? And then how do we help you pay the least amount of taxes? Okay, now, logically speaking, this typically is a big thing to most people because they want to pay the least amount of taxes. But understand, what you're paying the least on is the taxes now, right? What happened from January to December? I'm going to pay my taxes in April that following year, and my goal is to pay the least amount of taxes now. Well, is that the best? Well, let's talk about it for a second. You're looking at it from a micro standpoint, right? And you're looking at how much taxes do I have to pay currently now, right? So current taxes, those numbers may be pretty small in big comparison. Now, what do I mean by that? Let me give you another perspective. Let's say your financial advisor says, hey, looking at your cumulative taxes, how much taxes you're going to make or pay over the course of your life, right? So let's talk a little bit about that. How much taxes you're going to pay over the course of your life. So cumulative taxes. So think of it this way. If we took all your money, all your qualified accounts, tax deferred accounts, things of that nature, and we knew at some point in time we're going to have to pay taxes on it, then that means that we got to pay them some kind of way. Well, as we pay those taxes over time, they start to add up, because just like anything, all those tax deferred accounts are still growing and earning interest on it. And as you earn interest on those accounts, there's going to be a time where you have to pay Uncle Sam back his portion. That's where the accumulation comes in. So my question to you is this: is it better to pay the taxes now or later? For me, I believe it's now. And the reason why it's now, because you can control the type of taxes that you pay. See, when you think about the cumulative effect of your taxes over your lifetime, it may be a great way for you to decide how much you want to reduce your taxes and how soon. This is where you can plan and strategize so you pay current taxes now a little bit more, but over the course of your lifetime, you pay less taxes. Let me give you an example. If I said to you, hey, your cumulative tax liability on that $1 million that you have in your retirement plan is about $2.5 million over your lifetime based on your life expectancy. So meaning from age 60 to, let's say, 85, you're expected to pay that $2 million in tax liability. And you're like, crap, that's a lot of money. But then I said to you, well, there's a way we could strategize, and by doing this and paying some of these taxes up front over the next 5 to 10 years time frame, we can cut that $2 million down to $1 million over your lifetime. Would it be worth it to pay higher taxes earlier on? Now, again, this is up to you. This is your decision. But logically speaking, to me, if I get to save $1 million in tax liability, I'm all in. And so that is the difference between looking at current taxes versus cumulative taxes. So guys, if you want to learn more about current versus cumulative, give us a call. We'll set some strategies up, show you some tax efficient planning options, and hopefully get you on the right path to paying Uncle Sam, or your silent partner, as I like to call him, less taxes. Okay, this is Cory Chapman with my 5-minute wealth tip. I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Be well and blessed.